Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today. I'm Carrie from the Outback Pain Relief Customer Service team, and today I'm going to show you how to use a coupon code on our website, both on a desktop or your mobile device, like a cell phone or tablet. First, make sure you're on outbackpainrelief.com. Then you'll be taken to our homepage where you can see the Shop tab, as well as scrolling down will show you our product catalog. You can click on the arrows to scroll through some of the products that we have listed today. To add a product to your cart, you can select a product from the catalog. Today we're going to go to our Shop tab. You'll click the Shop button at the top of our page, which will take you to the collection of all of our products. Once you're there, you can hover over products to see the Quick View and View Details buttons. When you click on Quick View, a pop-up will appear with different information about the products, as well as a button to add to your cart. If you click on View Details, you'll be taken to the full product listing where you can see the price, product description, and shipping information. Then you'll choose the large green button that says Add to Cart. From there, you'll be taken to your shopping cart where you'll see all of the products that you've currently selected. You can choose Checkout Now or Proceed to Checkout to fulfill the rest of your order. That's when you'll be taken to the page to put in your contact information and your coupon code. As you can see, there is a form here that says Discount, and this is where you will type in your code. Today we're going to use a test code 123. Once you click Apply, you will be able to see if your discount code was used correctly. Here you can see our test code 123 has been applied correctly, and $3.99 have been removed from our total. After you see that your coupon code has been applied correctly, go ahead and fill out the rest of your contact information and continue to shipping. If you're on a mobile device like your cell phone, it will look different whenever you try to use your coupon code. I'll show you how to do that now. First, you will go through the same process of adding a product to your cart. This is where you will put in your information. Where you see the cart Show Order Summary, you must click on it to be able to see the field where you will put your coupon code. Here is the same field we saw on the desktop version. Go ahead and put your coupon code here where it says Discount, test code 123, and click the same green button to apply your code. Immediately you will be able to see if your coupon code was applied correctly. Here we see that $1.99 has been taken off of our Outback Pain Relief roll-on. After you see that your coupon code has been applied correctly on your mobile device, you'll scroll down and choose one of our payment options. Go ahead and fill out your contact information and your order will be on its way. Thank you again from the Outback Pain Relief team. If you need any help applying a coupon code or have questions for our customer service department, please feel free to call 1-800-215-8739. Thanks again. See you soon.